Stop struggling with wrinkled clothes. This 2-in-1 steamer just changed everything. Hey everyone, tired of dragging out your ironing board every morning? Today I'm testing the GKJ Handheld Vacuum Steamer, a game changer that promises to steam your clothes without a board. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. We've all been there, running late, outfit wrinkled, and no time for traditional ironing. Standard steamers leave clothes damp, and regular irons require setup time and an ironing board. What if there was a better way? Here's what makes this steamer different. First, 2300 PA auto grip suction. It literally grabs your fabric so you can steam one-handed. No board needed. Second, it works 3x faster than traditional irons with steam recycling technology. Third, instant dry. Your clothes are ready to wear immediately with 0 water stains. The 118 ml tank gives you 10 minutes of continuous steam. That's 3 shirts per fill. And it heats up in just 30 seconds. Watch this. I'm steaming this dress shirt completely hands-free. The suction holds the fabric in place. Look at those wrinkles disappearing. Now switching to dual mode. Suction off for this delicate silk blouse. Gentle, safe, and effective. The collar, those tricky seams, done in seconds. This is perfect for last-minute touch-ups before meetings or events. At only 750 grams in compact size, this is the travel steamer. I'm taking this on every business trip. Hotel ironing? Never again. Works on everything. Cotton, denim, silk, lace. One device handles your entire wardrobe. If you're tired of wrinkled clothes and wasted time, check the link in the description. The GKJ Vacuum Steamer is a total time saver for busy mornings and travel. What's your biggest ironing struggle? Drop it in the comments. And if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more product reviews that actually solve real problems. Thanks for watching. Now go steam those wrinkles away.